Hiya! Today I have an unboxing of my Barista Brunch kit from Planners Anonymous. I don't believe the main bulk of kits have been sent yet, but I am one of the stylists for Planners Anonymous, so I think ours maybe was sent a little bit earlier than the subs. So anyway, let's have a look. Ta-da! So this will be the extra sticker kit. This is the planner kit along with some of the paper, and then this is the extra paper pack. So we'll look at the extra paper pack and the extra sticker kit near the end of the video. Let's have a look first of all at the paper that comes in the standard planner kit. First of all, there's this page here with all of the different types of coffee on it. And on the reverse side of that, there's a dark brown watercolour. And then we've got coffee cups and daisies. And on the reverse side of that, there's this lighter, I don't know what to call it. It's a lighter brown, sort of a caramel. It's not as dark as a caramel. This colour anyway. And then this is gorgeous, this gorgeous flat lay. A brunch flat lay with the planner here and coffee and croissants and pastries and eggs, and that's actually really gorgeous. And the reverse side of that is another shade of brown. Then there's the vellum for the month. So as per usual, the vellum is slightly translucent, which is the nature of vellum, so you can see other pages through it. And the vellum is the same design as on this paper. And then the acetate, which is gorgeous. I love the acetate. So it's a rose gold foil and it's just gorgeous. So it has today's menu, and then it has all of the menu items, of which you can actually read all of these items. You can see their cheese platter for 2, and that's that. And then this gorgeous, I don't need an inspirational quote, I need coffee. Really, really nice. Absolutely love the acetate. So that's the paper and the specialty paper in the planner kit. And then this is the rest of the standard planner kit in here. The first thing I'm drawn to, as I always am, is of course the pen, and this one is gorgeous. This is a rose gold barrel. You can see the rose gold barrel and the beautiful crystals. Planners Anonymous is etched along there. Here's the crystals. It's really, really gorgeous. And here's our planner guy. So this is the first time a Planners Anonymous kit has had a planner guy as the main planner feature. Normally it's a different girl, but this time we've got a guy. So you can see from the back there, his name is Marco. I won't read that in case you want to read that yourself when your box comes, but if you do want to read it, you can just pause here and read that. So there's Marco. This is the mystery item for the month, and it's a magnetic pin. Be beautiful on it. So it's got a little coffee pun on it there. And that's foiled as well. And that has a magnet, so you can connect that to things without damaging. And that magnet is hopefully strong enough to be able to put this on your planner pockets if that's what you want to do. Then we've got quote cards. There's the backer. And we have a drinker of coffee, planner of things. Life happens, brunch helps. Coffee believes in you. I love this one. My coffee needs a coffee. On Sundays we do brunch. And work hard, brunch harder. So the 6 cards as per usual, and these are designed to stand out on the patterned paper. So if we grab some paper here, you can see the card stands out nicely. It's got the plain watercolored background, and so it's really super easy to make a cute dashboard without a lot of embellishment at all. And then there's the stamp set for the month. We've got half of our planner guy. We've got that quote, which I love. I don't need an inspirational quote, I need coffee. And then there's lots of other little stamps there, like coffee beans, all sorts of little coffee icons. We've got our time for coffee. I might need that on every day though. We've got some deco items like the flowers, the cup of spilt coffee, the coffee beans, the coffee ring, the daisy, and we've got pro-caffeinating. Great pun on procrastinating. And this cute little clipboard here, which I think will be really good size for a hobo weeks. So 19-piece stamp set this month. Love it. And then we've got our die cuts. This is our 5x7-inch art card for the month. Drinker of coffee, planner of things. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's really nice. And that's a really simple dashboard if you happen to have a B6 planner, because it is B6 size. And something I like to do with a lot of them is put washi on the back here in diagonal stripes, and then that just decorates the back really easily to the theme of the planner, theme of the kit. So then we have Marco. This is the pocket for the month. So the pocket comes perforated, so you can easily fold these 3 sides in and pop that on a dashboard or on whatever you like, and you can put things in here like so. So it's a cute pocket. Then we've got this really nice cup with the coffee beans, like the stamp. I like that. Different types of coffee. Some little beans. A cheese platter, a blackboard, this great quote again, the vase of daisies. This is nice, the coffee cup with the daisy, and I just dropped a croissant, and this is lovely. The little tower of cups with the daisies, that's really, really cute. So they're the die cuts for the month. And then we have the stickers. So these are the stickers that are part of the standard planner kit. We'll have a look at the additional sticker kit after this. There's the first page. There's the second page, the cute banner. Cake is adorable, and then I just love this stack of cups. And then we've got the page that has the day headers, the folding planner, which fits in a planner box, the weekend, and then a sticker you can use for storage or whatever you want to use it for. And then the sheet with all of the icons on it. And you can also see here next month's kit is Forest Falls. and that are the colours that will be in the kit. So the 4 pages of stickers as per usual, and then the only thing left to look at is the washi, which I have here, and I'm just going to roll that out so we can have a good look at it. Okay, this is the thinner washi. It's coffee beans. Okay, these are 2 of the washis here. So this is the thin coffee bean washi with the rose gold foil on it, and the washi with the coffee cups and the daisy, also with rose gold foiling on. That's how much there is before the pattern repeats itself. And then the wider washi is absolutely gorgeous, this flat lay. So different brunch flat lays, and that's the pattern before it repeats also. And there's rose gold foiling on the cutlery. I think it's just the cutlery. It looks like just the cutlery if we look at that. There's rose gold foiling on the cutlery, and all of the little brunch flat lays are non-foiled and super cute. Super cute. So that's the wide washi. And they're the 2 other washis. Love them. They'll be lots of fun to play with. This here is the add-on paper pack that you can purchase separately to the sub kit. So it's also a monthly subscription, but you need to add it on and pay extra for it. It's a really good thing to have, as it really stretches the kit out for even longer with all of the additional paper. And the paper are different designs, so they coordinate with the kit, but they're completely different designs. This is the first page, so the blackboard menu, and I love it. Love it. I think this might be my favourite piece. And then on the reverse of that, this light brown watercolour. And then we've got coffee icons. So we've got the bag of coffee and then different coffee cups and a pattern on there. And then this is on the reverse side. And then a gorgeous page of daisies. Really nice. And on the reverse side, the yellow in the centre of the daisies. It's not a bright yellow at all. It's really nice. And then in the additional paper pack, you also get an extra copy of the acetate and the vellum. So another page of this beautiful rose gold foiled menu acetate, and another page of the coffee vellum. Love them. This is the Barista Brunch additional sticker kit. As per usual, there's a great wad of pages, so many pages. Anyway, let's have a look at them all. So the first page has Marco on it, and then various coffee. Love those cups. Here's the second page with those gorgeous stacked cups, brunch platters, napkins, sweet treats, and 2 planner girls. And here's our planner girl here. Coffee girl, I guess. Barista girl, maybe. And lots of different coffee making equipment. And then a page of coffees and brunches. A page of daisies. Blackboards and banners. So these will be great for going down a planner box as a to-do list, or you can obviously have them across your page also. And then we've got our page of quotes, which I love. Drinker of coffee, maker of things. Love it. This gorgeous page of flat lays, different brunch flat lays. And I love these. I missed these. So these are the full box decos, but they're also a functional sort of deco. So you can have your box looking pretty, but you can write quite a lot on them as well. So I love them. And I'm sure the banners are designed to go across 2 boxes, 2 EC width boxes. Speaking of which, here we have a double box. So this will be designed to go across 2 1.5 inch width boxes, and then we've got 2 separate full boxes here, and then we've got our coffee. Oh, there seem to be 2 of those. I'm not sure if that's a packing error. Then we've got another one where we've got a double box and then 2 separate full boxes. Hello Monday, let's do this. And these are great for dividing your boxes. And then we've got the, wow, they're tiny, the date dots. So 2 months of date dots in coordinating colours. And these gorgeous sticky notes, which really are one of my favourite parts of the kit each month. I use them every month, I use them up. And then we've got the splashes, I think Sammy calls them, the splashes and the full boxes and the trackers and the weekend and the date headers. And so these come in different coordinating colours for the kit. So this month we've got different shades of brown, I assume, for the coffee. Oh, and that's the yellow from the daisies. And then these are always super cute. I love the minis. And this month is even more special because we've got our little mini guy Marco. So the 2 of them together are just adorable. There we go. You can see those 3 minis at the top there. Gorgeous. And then we've also got these little coffee sipping minis. And then this is the page of functional minis. So it's super cute, the super cute peeking minis and then the functional minis. And it's great to see Marco doing the vacuuming. Love that. Okay, so these are all of the stickers in the add-on sticker kit for Barista Brunch. So I believe a total of 18 sheets. I think my double up sheet here was just really good luck for me and a bit of a bonus. I don't know, potentially every sticker kit has the extra, but I would think the sticker kit is designed to have 18 sheets. This is everything in the September kit for Barista Brunch by Planners Anonymous. Obviously I can't fit everything in this one shot. These are all of the papers and specialty papers, including the add-on paper kit. This is the add-on sticker kit, and then we've got all of the items from the planner kit, including this art card, which I think is my favourite thing from the whole kit. It's actually hard to pick my favourite thing from the kit. I absolutely love this art card, but I also absolutely love the rose gold pen and this die cut here. Total love for that. So many of the things total love. The blackboard paper, the acetate. Oh my goodness, I really can't pick one thing, but this is the Barista Brunch kit. It's coffee and brunch themed and really nice colours which coordinate all together. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye.